Amazon have been collaborating with YouTubers and Instagrammers to curate particular drops, particular fashion lines that are inspired by the people that they collab with. So this is signed by Blake. Found this one, yeah. Everything she see her brother do, she do. Look at him. Hi guys. So today is Monday and I took the kids to let me turn this around. Kids to the park. They're actually dead asleep back there. I actually came on here to say, please be safe. There's so many stuff happening to women and children, and women or children are literally one of the most vulnerable people in today's society. So yeah, that is what I came on here to say. Look, Pam, I'm just up in the door. But I was about to say, I actually travel with a taser and pepper spray, and you can get them from Amazon. And babe also teach me a tip of actually holding your keys between your fingers like this. So when you're going in your house, you keep your keys in between your fingers. So yeah, please be safe. I have my alarm. There's so much things going on. It's crazy. It's crazy. But anyways, I'm not really doing anything today. I'm actually gonna go do some schoolwork. Y'all probably won't see me for the rest of the day. My weeks are normally consist of me going to the park. I like to take the kids at least 3 to 4 days out of the week to the park, outside, to mingle with other kids, to actually know how to interact with other kids. Even though it's pandemic, the parks that I normally go are normally not very crowded. They have 1 to 2 extra people there, so I like to take them outside so they can not only interact with other kids, but they can actually be outside, play, discover, stuff like that. But yeah, I'm about to take them inside and call it a day. I'll probably see y'all tomorrow when we're more busy doing more stuff. So
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see, but did I miss? Ex-strippers, new killers, shot, pepper, this on grind up, on my mom, made the promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see, but did I miss? Junior
Media Productions. The volume. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Too sexy for this too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this ice, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, I'm too sexy for this chain, too
Like 13, 16 or something.
Alright, no problem. So that's 1, 2, 150 per person, right?
Does Milani have to get a ticket?
Probably.
Yeah, 35 per person.
Okay. So we're at the fair. I'm getting on my first ride. Let's hope I don't throw away my... Huh? Me know me can't feel it. No? Huh?
¿Dónde es el otro cinturón? El otro cinturón es...
Huh? Where does this go? Oh. I know. Pause, you have it. They're making fun because it's lopsided. I'm the only one that's in there. Huh? Shut up, them. Woo! I have a headache.
Fuck.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that sound means it's just 15 minutes. 15 minutes to showtime. The magic show right here, coming up in just 15 minutes, brought to you by your friends at SpaceCoastDaily.com.
Alright, so that would make me.
So you want to dance for this song?
Grab your loved ones.
Oh, yeah. Bye. Hi, Pop.
If you're by yourself, no worries.
We had the food store. Yeah. You seen the video? Yeah. A lot of people.
Ice cream.
So we just got back from the fair. It was a Sunday well spent. Everybody had fun. And darling, I passed out on one of the rides. But anyways, I'm about to go to bed and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Good morning, people. So all I'm going to do is wash my hair, and I'm actually going to convert my old knotless braids into dreads because I actually didn't want to take down my hair and waste almost like $200. So I turned them into dreads, which you will see later, and I do have on clothes. So YouTube don't demonetize my video. Every time I put any clip in here of me washing my hair or a shower routine or anything, they always demonetize my video. But anyways, let's get into it. Went to the hair store because my hair isn't finished and they didn't have the hair that I wanted, which is one of the reasons why I don't go to that hair store in particular. This is my hair. My kids have been putting on my hair, so like two of them they unravel. I think I'm gonna glue them actually. Glue the ends so they don't move. So I got Malon's stuff, like all her conditioner, shampoo and stuff is gone. This is what I use in her hair. I actually bought the leave-in conditioner. And shampoo. I got some Adore hair dye because I'm gonna dye that blonde wig. I got Wild Cherry, Rich Amber, and Intense Red. So it's 69, 71, and 78. And then I got some acetone. Anytime I color hair and the bathroom is messed up or has spots of hair dye, I always get some acetone and clean it off. I'm not gonna clean it off though until tomorrow when I actually use the other dye. So I couldn't find the hair that I want, so I actually got this instead, which is pretty much the same thing. I'm just gonna take out 6 pieces because that's how much I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 pack will do, and I'll save the rest. The spring twist hair, I actually like having it in my arsenal of hair because I actually use it to braid my hair. I use it to do ponytails. I use it for so many stuff. Can't believe that 2-pack did almost all my hair though. literally 2.5 bucks. So I'm gonna finish my hair. I'll see y'all when I'm done. So I finally finished my hair. I'm gonna tint. So this is my perfect brow. Really.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Too sexy for this girl, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this ice, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that trap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that trap, too sexy for that.
So I just wanted to show you guys my hair finished. So I got some pieces from the Sign by Blake Amazon drop. If you guys didn't know, Amazon have been collaborating with YouTubers and Instagrammers to curate particular drops, particular fashion lines that are inspired by the people that they collab with. So this is Signed by Blake. So I'm gonna go out and show you the full dress. This is in an extra large. I'm glad I got it in an extra large. Also, it's a rib material, so it's super duper comfortable. I love the strap detailing because you are able to actually customize it so you can move the straps around. So I'm going to show you guys the pants. I don't remember if I got it in an XL or double XL. I'll leave it on the screen. But if it's perfectly, love the style, the color. It's very trendy also. I didn't get the top that comes with the pants because it's a crop top, and I've been trying to stay away from crop tops because I feel like they don't flatter my body type anymore. And the other shirt that they cheap paired with this was like an organza Chinese inspired top, which I wasn't a fan of. So yeah, the top is not from her collection, it's out of my wardrobe. And on that note, I'm gonna end this vlog. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.